Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out these window screens made for the rear cargo doors by Holman. Now these are made of a 7-gauge steel, and you can see they're securely mounted all around the frame of the door to make sure you keep your cargo van secure and protected from would-be thieves. They come as a set of 2. They are in the gray steel powder coated color that Holman makes all of their products in, and has an anti-glare matte finish to it as well, which is very nice. Now these screens, while they also are a great security screen from outside threats, they're also fantastic for interior protection of your glass in case of shifting cargo. Something comes flying out during any kind of driving that you're doing, it's gonna hit these screens and keep your glass nice and protected. These also have the Holman 3-year warranty as well, and you can find accessories just like these window screens on upfitsupply.com.